Hello students, in today's video we will discuss about the merge sort. It is a very major sorting process and technique. It is a recursive process and it follows the divide and conquer approach. Divide and conquer approach says that if we are having a very large problem, divide the problem into the sub problems, and once the problem becomes smaller, apply the solution, combine the solutions and get the results. So here you can see we are having an array which is not an array. We are having different elements and which is a very larger list. So what would be the smaller list then? If we are having the individual element, that would be the smaller list. Even if we are having the two elements, we have to merge them and sort them. So let's start our merge sorting process. So first we have to divide the entire list, right, into like this: 2, 8, 5, 3. Right, we have divided it into the two parts: 9, 4, 1 and 7. Let's divide it further, right? 2, 8, 5, 3, 9, 4 and 1, 7. So here now we are having four parts: 2 and 8 as individual, 5 and 8 as individual, 9 and 4 as individual, and 1 and 4 as individual. So now let's make all the elements individual. We'll give same like this, right? So we would write them here at the top as individually: 2 and 8, 5 and 3, 9 and 4, 1 and 7. So using the divide and conquer approach, we have got the elements as individually. Now we would merge two elements one by one and would sort them, right? So merging the 2 and 8, it would gives us the 2 and 8. Merging the 5 and 3 would gives us the 3 and 5. Merging the 9 and 4 would gives us the 4 and 9. We are sorting them right now as recursively, right? Merging the 1 and 7 would gives us the 1 and 7. So we have merged the individual elements into two, and here we are having now four sets. Now making two sets, making one set, merging the two set from this one, it would gives us the 2, 3, 5 and 8, right? If we merge both these two, we would get 1, 4, 7 and 9, right? So if we merge both of them, we would get the sorted list: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. So this is our final result, the sorted array, right? We got our final result. This is our sorted array. Got it? So have you got the concept? First we were given the list. We used the divide and conquer approach and we have to sort the list using the merge sort. We divided into two parts, then into four parts, and then we got the elements, all of the elements as individually. Then we again merged them and sorted the elements recursively. We got the one list, the sorted list at the end, as we merged all the elements with each other one by one, and we got the sorted list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So this was all about the merge sort, where we used the divide and conquer approach and sorted the array recursively, right?